Introduce features highlight of OCROUKI portable air conditioners, mini air conditioner with LED night light, evaporative air cooler with 800 ml water tank, USB powered air cooling fan. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Water cooling technology in personal air conditioners converts hot air into cool air. Add ice water to the tank, press the button, and you get cool air in just a few seconds. This mini air conditioner can lower the surrounding 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Portable design, small size. In summer, the best choice for camping, and you can easily carry it out, very suitable for bedroom, offices, outdoor picnics. Just press the switch to cool stuff for your room. The 800 ml water tank can be used for 4 to 9 hours when filled with water. The mini air conditioner has a detachable design that can be separated from the body for easy water filling and cleaning. Meanwhile, the water shortage protection function will replace the water with natural wind when it runs out, allowing you to sleep worry-free. This is a small air conditioner that allows you to enjoy a cool forest-like breeze in a quiet environment. There are 2 wind speeds to choose from, and the fan blades can be adjusted up and down to change the wind direction, which can meet your use in different life scenarios. Compared to traditional air conditioners, our mini air conditioner is more low energy consumption and freon-free. This personal air cooler is small and lightweight, easy to carry. Equipped with a USB cable, only working when plug-in power, you can connect with adapters, powered bank, computers, and more. LED atmosphere light, 1 key switch, can also be used as a night light. Beautiful night, from this moment on. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.